Video number 2, I replaced or removed the manifold. The manifold, and then I'm looking at making sure that the gasket is good. Since I'm out, these are like only $6-8. These little gaskets, just replace them. You know, might as well. I believe these gaskets should be about $6, $5 too. Again, it's worth the $5, $6, $10 investment for each new gasket. It's safety. Now, what I did notice when I did the video, that I decided I was going to replace it because it's cracked. Cracked in the back and it's cracked in the front. And I wasn't going to be able to fix it on. However, now that I have it off, I think I might be able to fix it. Now, that's something that one person has to make the decision on. Now, the other thing is, this gasket, this manifold, these are solid. They shouldn't have cracked. And that one, I mean, there's many things that could happen, could have caused it. One, you know, the engine was hot, somebody pressure washed it with cold water, could have cracked it. That's going to be hard to see. Now, one thing I did notice when I was doing this is not supposed to be moving. Okay, so over time, this little wiggle will put pressure, and the pressure was right here. It was the crack right here. So that crack could have been caused by over the last few years, this bending up and down, put enough pressure and found a weak spot and cracked it. Now, what's causing this? Well, if you look down there, you see that little thing right there? That is supposed to be screwed into the frame. It's not. So, I'm missing a screw, so I'll have to find a screw once I fix this and repair this. Find a screw to make sure that this doesn't happen again. I found these online for $89, $90. Now, if I order online, that means the car's going to be down for at least a week because it's going to take 4 or 5 days to get this part. Or I could spend the next couple hours driving from junkyard to junkyard looking for a used one. Now, again, a used one could have already a weak spot. You don't know because you don't know how it's been treated or anything like that. So, again, it's a chance. I spent $30, $40 on a used one and 3-4 hours of my time. Right now, I think my time is worth a little bit more than those $30, $40. So what I'm going to do of savings is I'm going to repair this, order my new manifold online. I found it at $89. I'm going to call AutoZone, see, they probably don't have one in stock, but, you know, call around and see if I can find a new one. This one's $89, brand new, so I can order it, be here in 7 days or so, and then replace it at that time. So this repair will last me for a good week, and then, but I found the problem, what caused this. Once I fix that problem, this shouldn't happen again. I found them also locally for $300. No way I'm going to pay $300. So anyhow, brand new $300, just not worth it. Wait a week, drive the car for a week still. Not that I need to, because I still have that one, or I have this one, or I have that one. So it's just a car that I need, that I'm repairing. All right, thank you, and God bless.